Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers. We are in Dronfield. D/21182, Private Thomas James Goldthorpe, the York and Lancashire Regiment, died 27th of October 1939, aged 47. (978-056), Gunner Tom White, 154th Leicestershire Field Regiment, died 29th of September 1941, aged 21. C/SSX 27166, Harold Baxby, able seaman, Royal Navy, died 30th of April 1947. Also found Charles Allen, killed in action October 29, 1917. (241-521), Private Thomas Luther Branston, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 26th of November 1919, aged 38. (1477-0099), Gunner Kenneth Owen, Royal Artillery, died 7th of March 1945, aged 20. (48960), William Stacey, North Staffordshire Regiment, died 9th of May 1919, aged 28. 13070734, Private Richard Lockett, Pioneer Corps, died 14th of August 1944, aged 27. Also found Harold Oldman, killed on active service August 10th 1945, aged 25. Also found Walter John Spencer, killed on active service January 21st 1941, aged 21. Also found Private Hugh Smelt, killed in France while serving his king and country, died August 1st 1918, aged 26. (13496), Lance Corporal James Leonard Biggins, died November 24th 1918, aged 25.